All right, I'm off to go pick up Rachel for work today, the work wife. And so yesterday we had a customer, I'm guessing husband and wife. Not really sure. Not really sure how this even worked out. So the story was and is that I did a video about a vehicle who came in from another shop saying it needed a front pipe for his exhaust system. And I believe it was Saturday. And then Rachel was like, the labor's 5 hours to do the hub bearings in the back. And I'm like, yeah, I should be able to be full time and do the tires and, get the guy's car together. And I did, even though it was rusted and seized. I superhuman strength the hub bearings out of the knuckles and blah, 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 blah. So the story was, the husband brought the car in saying that another shop said that it needed a front exhaust pipe. And the oil change sticker was at Mavis. So I believe that they used Mavis. And I guess Mavis either sent it out for an exhaust repair in the center and told them they need the front section too. I'm not really sure how the story goes. I guess get this. I'm the third party sometimes in the circle of my buddy, another shop, blah, 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 and then my findings. So the husband who brings the car in, drops it off, tells us what he wants. He wants a new front pipe because another shop said so, and we were referred by his friend, and who knows. So we go through the processes of confirming what his complaints are, and it's not very often that someone comes in and just says, I want a new exhaust system just because. Tell Rachel, we go back and forth with Rachel on what the customer wants and what the car needs, and this is what his problems are. The man, the husband, approves the job, I get it done, we call him and say, hey, it's Saturday, we're done, do you want the car? No, I'll be in Monday. Well, here it is Monday. Husband and wife duo are here to pick up the car and pay for it. And the wife is livid. Completely carrying on. I just don't even want to use the wrong words. Anyway. Just going at Rachel. Why is the bill so high? And I don't even know why he brought the car here. And I'm in the business. And blah, 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 blah. And this, that, and the other thing. And so on and so forth. And I've never heard of no warranty on the tires. And Rachel's like, you bought the cheapest, you approved the cheapest tires. They don't come with a free road hazard. You want a road hazard, it costs money. Well, what's the warranty on the tires against defects? Well, that doesn't really happen anymore today, but we'll give you 90 days against manufacturer's defects. If you get a nail on the tire, blow the sidewall out, misalignment, you got no warranty, lady. It's pretty much industry standard. Never heard of tires not having a warranty. Well, yeah, when you're never heard of the cheapest tires costing $130 a tire. I don't know what planet this lady came from, but this is Sentiments in New Jersey planet. Asking me what the warranty was on the hub bearings. She's never heard of hub bearings costing that much. Why was it 5 hours labor? It's awfully high. And I'm like, well, just call around. Like, now I'm standing there and I'm getting involved. I'm like, you should call around and find out what 5 hours worth of labor cost in this area. And we've already done our homework. Our labor rate is lower than everyone else's around here. So this conversation doesn't even need to exist anymore, let alone call the dealership and see what they charge per hour. So I kind of backed her down on that spot. And she's like, well, he doesn't even drive this car, and I don't even know why it was here, and blah, 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 blah. And, if I knew about this, how do you have a husband and you don't know that his car is missing, right? You live at the same place, you would think. You don't know his car is missing. I'm sure he said he took the car to the shop, right? But I'm sure he didn't say how much it was going to cost to fix it. So he's silent, and she's just babbling. She's like, and if you were dealing with me on the phone, I wouldn't be paying those prices. I'd be working you over and this, that, and the other thing. And I'm like, I said, so now I said, in my head, I'm like, Now we need to wrap this conversation up. She's like, how much is the bill? And she was like freaking out. Yep, that's the bill. He approved it. You need to pay it. Oh. Almost blew the light there. So finally, she's calming down a little bit, but you can still see the ghettos coming out, and they're still a little bit, just a little bit. So from compared to where it was maxed out to coming down to reality. And I said, regardless if he doesn't drive the car or not, it's his car, correct? She's like, yeah. He make the money. He pay all the bills. He pays the mortgage. He pays my car note. And I'm just like, what the fuck are you in here torturing us about? He makes the money. He pays all the bills. He takes care of you. So I was like, this is his car. He's a truck driver. He works a lot. And I said, you know what? The man deserves a decent car when he comes home to get into. I said, he was steered from another shop in the wrong direction to the tune of $1,500 to fix his exhaust. And she's like, and she's like backing up. And I said, and what we did was tell him he doesn't need to spend that money there now because it's not needed at all. But where he needed to spend the money is in all the other issues that are wrong with his car that made him think that it was exhaust. So finally, she rationalized with me with a little bit, but she still said, he don't even drive the car. And I said, when you guys go drive this car now, it is almost like driving a brand new car. And you didn't spend money that you didn't need. I said, and think about this situation. If you would have said, regardless of what we said to you, you still want your front pipe catalytic converter assembly, which was like $1,500, and we gave you your car back, and as soon as you drove away, you're going to come back and say you have the same noise, and then we're going to say we told you so, and then we're going to have another argument because you didn't want to listen to us. I said, so instead of you carrying on and barking at us, I said you should be thanking us for steering you in the right direction, thanking you for making your car like new without spending money you didn't need. And then she really simmered down and paid the bill and went on their way. So I really can't stand this part of our business. And I have another story for you, and I'll bring you back for that one. But I'm sure many other guys in our environment deal with the same crap, and I just don't understand. Does anyone ever see the husband and wife arguing at the ShopRite or the supermarket and saying, no, you can't have that steak, or no, you can't have that beer? I mean, come on. It's crazy. Thanks for watching.